In DaVinci you will find our color grading plugins under the OFX effects. It's best to work in the color section, so I'll show you first how to use our plugins there. First open the effects window and the node editor if they are not visible. For each plugin simply create a serial node. To do this, right-click, Add Node, Add Serial, or use the shortcut Alt-S. Since I have log footage here, I drag our log neutralizer plugin onto the first of the two newly created nodes to neutralize the footage. In the settings you will find the Open GUI button, which opens the user interface of our plugin. Close the user interface to apply the settings. On the next node I drag a plugin for color grading and open the user interface again. That's how fast you can work with our plugins in DaVinci Resolve. Because I want to quickly show you where you can find the plugins in the Edit or Cut window, I'll deactivate the nodes with Command D or Ctrl D under Windows. In the Edit window you will find the plugins under OpenFX Filter. In the Cut window under Video Effects. Here you can drag several plugins onto a clip. You will then find the settings and the Open GUI button in the inspector under Effects. You can deactivate effects here using the small switch or delete them using the trash can. Have fun working in DaVinci Resolve.